Hi there. We're going to be reviewing this video by Ghostek regarding their Atomic Slim case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I actually bought this particular case in both the prismatic color, which we're going to see here, as well as the red color. Both of my cases have an issue. And then when I looked at this particular video, I noticed that their own demo video has the same issue which I have identified. So if we look at the video, and I'm just going to pause the video right here. We're going to zoom in. I'll play the video from the beginning so we can see, but this is their particular video, and we're just looking at this in detail. What we notice is that first of all, the phone has a metal case, an aluminum case, sorry, an aluminum frame. Both at the bottom and the top, we do have a very thin profile of the aluminum frame of the phone. But what I notice here is that the case doesn't overlap the actual metal body of the phone to keep the phone inside the case. Like here, and if we were to play this video, that down at the bottom, the actual aluminum frame is reflecting light all along the bottom. This edge of the case should overlap and hold the frame properly. The screen doesn't actually start until up here. So the fact that it would even cover just a little bit of the black area of the screen is totally fine. We shouldn't see any metal parts of the frame, because that means if we see metal parts, the phone can pop out on impact when it falls with the case. So no matter how good the case is, if the phone pops out of the case, it's like wearing a seatbelt, which is just going to pop open, or you're going to slide out of the seatbelt, in a crash, and we don't want that. Now, it's important to note that in the middle of the top of the case, we're going to have a little bit more metal showing from the frame, and that's normal because there's a speaker embedded near the top. So we don't want the case to cover the speaker. But on the left and right sides of the actual speaker, this case in that section, as well as this section, it should be properly covering the metal frame of the phone. And down at the bottom, it should cover all along the bottom. So let's rewind this video, look at it from the beginning, and we can see later that this particular case could do with a little bit of improvement in making that edge a little bit larger or longer to cover the metal frame of the phone. So there we see when the phone's being rotated, the light does reflect.
Galaxy S23 Ultra. Protective aluminum metal case.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. We don't want to see the metal frame. It's got to be under the case edge. Thank you.